welcome to my channel. I recently made Bible covers for fun. I'm not a professional, but I just wanted to share my leather work. So let's get started. I made this using the size of the Bible with 3mm stitch lines. And I cut the vegetable leather with 1.2mm thickness. Then I've done burning the inner edges of the two pockets. I also finished the inner side of the hide without the parts that should be glued with the pockets. I put the button for the flap. I used the one with the 10mm diameter. Then I glued the flap, and after making the stitching holes, I finished the stitching for the flap. Then I glued the pockets to the main body, and also after making stitching holes, I've done the center stitch. Then I finished all the edges with brown color edge paint. I forgot to take a video for the cross patch and the patch at the back pocket, but I put those before gluing the pockets. Here is the final look, and thanks for watching my video.